A few moments later.
Oh, put it down, put it down, put it down. I feel like you did good.
Headshot.
Oh my gosh.
Headshot.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Bring some more. Hold on. Hold on, dude.
Yeah. Don't play with it.
Your hole's so little. You scraping them. You ain't hitting them, you scraping them.
But I hit though.
Oh, you did get a head though.
You didn't even get a headshot.
I ain't getting no headshot.
And
Oh, you
look,
got a headshot. Look, what I can say is when you hold it,
I ain't got no control.
yeah, you gotta hold it. You know what I'm saying?
Because my nails are
Yeah, just hold it tighter so you can control it more, and you'll get a better aim. But hold it tight, yeah. This. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Take down. All right, that's it. That's it. Yeah, you hit the roof, knocked the thing
I
down.
didn't try to do that.
Nah, you good. Bring it close. I see you hit a couple more though. Hey, you getting better though. Come on, some more. Bring some more. I see you right here.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you went through too.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Hold on.